Oh, hey, it's Caroline here from the Random People 10, and, well, just got back from my talent show at my school after a while ago, and thank you to all my friends, you know who you are, who were there, who cheered me on, me and my friends, Jerome and Elaine. But anyway, speaking about talent, maybe you guys can send us some videos or ideas on what our next video could be. Maybe your own talent. Song in the background, I dance too. And I'm not the kind of person who would usually get on stage and dance in front of people. 375 people. Hello. But, just send us some videos, messages, whatever you want. We'll be good. And we'll let you know about your idea. And we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And please, people, rate, comment, subscribe, all of that to our videos or our channel. Because we will, in the coming future, we are having some pretty cool, fun videos. Alrighty? Bye people. Love you all. No homo.